Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a 5 seconds timer using Adobe After Effects. Let's open up After Effects. The first thing we're going to do is check our composition settings. Go to composition settings. Since we want our timer to be 5 seconds, we're going to set the duration to change the duration to 5 seconds. Click on your text tool, type 5. In this case, you can manipulate the text anyhow you want to. You can tweak the text, manipulate it the way you want to your satisfaction. In my own case, I'm going to change the color to white and change the size, and probably the next thing I'm going to do is click on this anchor point. Very important. Click on this anchor point. Make sure your anchor point is at the middle. Now what this anchor point does is whatever effects I apply to this text, it will begin from the middle. That's where I can have everything working perfectly. Then go to align, set it to the middle. Next thing I'm going to do is set this text to exactly 1 second. This is 20 frames, this is 1 second. Go to the text layer, toggle down, transform, scale. From the beginning of the clip, click the stopwatch sign, then slide to 1 second, set your scale to about 20. Keyframe assistant, set it to easy ease. Close that up. Now, since you are looking for a 5 seconds countdown, I'm going to duplicate this text layer to 4 different places, which will make everything all together 5. So I'm going to do that by pressing Ctrl D on my Windows 4 times. Having done that, I'm just going to spread out the text. Second, third, and the last one. Having done that, manually, I'll just change this to 4, change this to 3, change this to 2, and change this to 1. And here is the result. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.